Maybe let's come over here a little bit. It's gonna be like that. So you're gonna put your foot in, okay?
Man, it's hard.
Okay. Okay. All the way down. Okay. You want to try on your own? You can pull your board and push yourself up the way I do it. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, no, that's fine, that's fine. That's fine. See, there you go. That's fine, you're doing good. You're doing good. Okay. I can't really keep up with you when you do that. Oh no. You got stuck. I'm fogging up.
I cannot stand it up.
Oh.
Why can I stand it up?
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Alright, you're clear. There you go, just bounce, just bounce. There you go, there you go, you're getting better. So if you want to go down like that, so just, there you go. You're getting better. Better than, oh wait. Okay, alright, now you're clear. Alright. Just let it go. Now lean back a little bit. There you go.
It's hard.
A little better. There you go. Alright, go ahead. There you go. Wow, good job. There you go. Wow. I know. Slow down.
Yeah!
You made it.
Oh, okay. It's hard.
Yeah.
I can do flat. Alright, let me take out.
Alright.
How are we going to do it to get up to this? Barely safe. Just like that.
And then how do you take off one of for this?
Oh, feel good.
Feels better, right?
Take a right.
Well, my bumper though.
Alright.
Yeah. Go, go, go.
Alright. Wow, 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 good job. That's good. You're getting better.
Focus on that right leg. Your left leg looks straight, that right one just a little bit more.
That's your move. You can take off one there. Good job. See? That's... Take off. Good job. There you go. Leggy? You did, that's a lot better.
All the way down here, start to climb.
Yeah, that's how I started. That's how I started. And then you just get better at maintaining your balance. You get better at turning.
Oh, I get thirsty.
You're thirsty?
Let me take a
What's that? Hey, you know what? Everyone out here is in the same boat. Everyone on the same boat. So it's like,
Great, thank you. Portrait is nice. I was like, oh, beautiful.
Up. Come on. What happened?
Cannot stand up.
You can't stand up.
That's the hardest part.
Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Plane wings, blah, blah, blah. Here's the rule in skiing.
There you go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. You're good, you're good, you're good. Hold it. Yeah. Oh! Okay, that's okay. Oh no. Oh. You did all right.
That's why it's cool, huh?
All right, so when you're like this, you want to flip over. Now rotate. Now turn over. Turn the whole board over if you can. With your, I mean, you want to get on your back or get back up. Yeah, you can do that. That's good too. Hey, good job. Uh-oh. Oh no. All right. No, don't do that. We gotta get back up. All right, get back up. There we go.
Okay, a little bit more going on.
Okay. You can do it. Just nice and easy. Oh, I got it. There you go, hold it. Nice. Yeah, there you go.
I tried to turn around here.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
One more?
One more, you can do it.
We're go up one more.
All right.
It's get beat up everywhere, fall.
Yep. That's
I
what
need a
happens.
cushion.
Yep.
Body cushion.
Okay, here we go. She got up. There she comes. Oh, 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 oh. Hold it. Hold it. Good job. Nice. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. Come on, get back up. Come on. Back up. There you go. Nice. Hold it. Come back down. There you go. Good job. Oh, watch out. Very fast. Oh. And there you go. All right. And we're done. One more?
I can stand up twice, huh?
Yeah, you did good. You want to do one more?
It's not like a break.
Almost.
It's not like you do that, you're automatically going to stop.
Oh,
Wherever you want to stop, you want to start your pizza.
hey, stand up by yourself.
Because it's going to slow you,
All right.
and then gradually come
Here we go, coming down.
pressure on your legs. So it's hard at the beginning, but it's
There we go.
But don't think that every time you make a pizza, you're automatically just going to stop.
All right,
You got to kind of
good,
about controlling our
good.
not getting too fast.
All right,
Start going. All right?
all right. Keep it going. Yeah. Oh, all right. No fall. All right. Oh.
Stay tall. Think about your belly button. Forward.
Good job.
All right, I'm good.
Hey.
Good job.